if you want to enable or disable monthly data limit on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to the security app. In here, we're gonna scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open this toolbox. And we're gonna go to data usage. Once you open the data usage, you should be able to tap on this setting in the upper right corner. And in here, we can open the data plan for the selected SIM for which we want to set up the data limit. And as you can see over here, we have the monthly data limit, which we can easily set up. You can just enter the amount of data that you want to use per month. And let's say I'm gonna type something like 100 gigabytes. There we go. That is pretty much it. You can also choose what should happen when you reach the limit. We can also set up the information about the warning in here. And there we go. Once you set up the plan in here, you can also access the data usage. You can set up how much data you actually use. So in case you want to modify that and you want to, for example, cheat the system a little bit, then you can do so. We can also choose some we can manage data warning as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.